Hello, this is Steve from Rapid Entrepreneurs, where we help individuals and business owners to start and grow their online business. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain with HostGator. Probably you may be asking yourself, why do you need a subdomain? A subdomain is very important, especially if you have an account that can create only one website, but you need a different account or a different web page that you can create, let's say a forum or maybe your training or anything else. You want a full website area that you create that. And that is the reason why a subdomain comes in. For example, when you come to Rapid Entrepreneurs, when you type school.rapidentrepreneurs.com, it is going to take you to our school management system web page. This is a subdomain. And you see, this is a dedicated web page that we didn't buy a domain for it. It's a free, because we are using a subdomain, it is free to create this website. So you see, it's a complete website that we've created here to showcase our school management system software. So that is the reason why you may need a subdomain. So if you are doing a course, you can create something like training.yourwebsite.com. You don't need to pay any money for this particular domain because it's a subdomain of your main domain that you've purchased. So that is the reason why you need a subdomain. And most importantly, those of you who are starting your website journey, one thing that you can do is that you can create your portfolio website with subdomain. For example, when you type hotel.rapidentrepreneurs.com, this is going to take you to our hotel website that we've created to showcase to other people who own hotels. So as you can see, very beautiful web page showcasing what we can create for people who have hotels. So that is the reason why you need a subdomain. So I'm just going to show you how to create this one quickly with HostGator, which is our recommended hosting. When you come to Rapid Entrepreneurs website and you click on the resource page, you will see that HostGator is our #1 recommended web hosting for you because it is faster and it is also less cheaper as compared to the other hosting. So Rapid Entrepreneurs, we are hosting our website on HostGator, which we always have 99.9 uptime, which is very good. HostGator has been recommended by PC Magazine for several years as the best web hosting service providers we can find. That is the reason why we also recommend HostGator for you. So if you want to get the hosting, just come here and then click on the get the best discount. You can equally also type just rapidentrepreneurs.com/HostGator. So this is also going to take you to the same location. We have added this URL in the description of this video for you to just click on it and purchase your hosting. When you get here, just click on Get Started. I'll also link another video that is going to show you step by step how to acquire your hosting. If you want to go with the hatching plan, which is 1 website, you can do that. If you want the BB, which is 5 websites, you can also choose. Or if you want unlimited, you can choose the e-commerce plan. Anyone you choose, just click buy now. So after you get here, you just enter the domain. They are going to give you 1 free domain. So let me just type anything. And then when I click on the com, it means I need a .com domain. So you see, they have given me 1 year free domain. So I can just fill in the details. This is where you need to take notice of. So just untick everything from here so that you don't pay anything extra. As you can see, they have several plans. They have the 36 months, that is 3 years. They have the 1 year. So either choose 1 year or 36, because if you choose 1 or 6, you don't get a free domain and the price is also higher. So just choose 1 year or 3 years. So for example, if you choose 1 year, you pay only $66.47. But you can also do something for the cost to come down. You can deselect the domain privacy, which is okay. Deselecting the domain privacy means that anyone who type your domain name, we'll see who owns it, and I don't see any problem with that. So if you deselect that one, you pay 50.53. But you can also use our coupon code RAPID10. So just type RAPID10 in the coupon code area to get an extra discount. So click on validate. Instead of 50.53, you're going to pay 49.23, which is fine. And you can even get lesser depending on the geographic area. This is the United States. Let me just type Ghana. So if you're in Ghana, it means you're going to pay something lesser. You see 46.18, which is awesome. So that is how you acquire your HostGator account. So for instance, you've acquired whether one website or 5 websites or the unlimited one. Now let me show you how to create your subdomain. It's very simple. The only thing that you have to do is to click on, you go to your billing portal. Whenever you create an account, you're going to get a message that shows you your billing portal. But in case you forget, just type portal.hostgator.com and then just enter. So here you're going to enter your email address and password. So let me quickly do that and let's continue. So now I'm in my portal, as you can see from here. All you need to do is to click on Launch cPanel. So this is going to take you to your control panel or cPanel where you're going to set up your subdomain. So when you get to your cPanel, it's very simple. As you can see, this is Rapid Entrepreneurs. So this is where we host our website. Several websites, we host it here. So the first thing that you need to do is to create your subdomain. So let me locate subdomain. As you can see from here, click on subdomain. And then you're going to enter the name of your subdomain. If it is school, if it is health, whatever. So I'm going to create demo. So this is a demo subdomain. And the domain, which domain do you want to create a subdomain for? Because my primary domain is Rapid Entrepreneurs. But let me choose one of my other domains. Okay, so let me choose my Rapid Clean domain. So as you can see, rapidcleangh.com. So as you can see, it's demo.rapidcleangh.com. So I'll just create my subdomain. So as you can see, the subdomain is successfully created. If it is successfully created, just go back to your cPanel. And now we are going to create a database because we need a database to link it to the subdomain for it to work effectively. So let's click on My SQL Databases. So this is where we are going to create our database for our project. So I'm going to name my database demo. So normally I use the same name I use for the subdomain for the database. So demo.rapidcleangh.com, and this is also a demo. So I'll just create my database. So click create database. So our database has been created successfully. Let's go back. So now that we've created our database, all we need to do is to create a user for the database. So normally I use the same name for the user. So the user is also demo. And then you create your password for your database. So make sure that you type a correct and secure password. So if you finish, then click on create user. Our user has been successfully created. So we just click on go back. Now that we've created our database and also created the user, the next thing is to add the user to the database. So make sure that you select Steve Demo, which is the name of the user, and connect it to the database, which is also Steve Demo. And then you click add. So we are connecting this user to this database. We have to give some privileges to this user because this is the main user for the database. We give all privileges. Then you click on make changes. So we have added this user to the database. Very simple. So now that we are done, let's go back to the subdomain section. Click on subdomains and make sure that you locate your demo.rapidcleangh.com. So demo.rapidcleangh.com. So this is the subdomain we just created. So just click on that. it is going to redirect you to the area where you're going to install your WordPress. So now that we are here, all you need to do is to go open your browser and type WordPress download, something like this, WordPress download. It is going to take you here. Click on the first link. This is going to take you here. Then just click on download WordPress. It will download it for you. So as you can see, WordPress has been downloaded successfully. Now you can close that window. And now you come back to your open window, the root directory of your subdomain. So as you can see, this one is highlighted, demo.rapidcleangh.com. So all you need to do is to upload the WordPress you just downloaded. So just click on upload, select file, and then you click on the WordPress you downloaded. So you wait patiently for it to finish the upload. So just a matter of minutes is going to be done. Then we continue. So as you can see, it is done. So let's just go back to the root directory. This is the installed WordPress zip file, but we don't want this zip file. So what you're going to do is to highlight it first and then right click and say extract. So you're going to extract the file. So just click on extract files. Just close it. Now the files has been extracted. So you can feel free to delete the zip file. So what you're going to do is to click on delete. This is the delete icon. So just click on it. So you can skip trash so that it deletes permanently. Now this is the WordPress that contains our files. Just double click it. Now we don't need the WordPress to be a folder that these files will be inside. So we are going to delete that WordPress. So what are you going to do? Let's select all. Click on select all. Then you say move. So we want to move these files from the WordPress folder. So just delete the WordPress from here and then say move files. So now you see now the WordPress folder is empty. You can move up one level. So if you move up one level, it is going to bring you to the main directory area. So just click on the WordPress and delete it because this is the empty WordPress. So we are going to delete it as well. So click on delete. You can skip trash so that you confirm. So now we have successfully installed WordPress on our subdomain demo.rapidcleangh.com. So how do we check it? Just click your website name, demo.rapidcleangh.com. In this case, you don't need to wait for any DNS configuration. It's just automatic. So when you see this, then it means that you're on the right path. Make sure you select the language. Mine is English, so I'll just click on continue. So this is where I'm going to provide the details. So welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know the following. So your database name, your database username, your database password, database host, and this. I know them, so let's click on let's go. So what is the database name? If you can't remember your database name, just go back to the cPanel. Then you go to your MySQL databases. Then you make sure that you have your database name, Steve Demo. That's my database name. So I'll just copy the database name here. So I'll come back to my WordPress installation. Then I will just install I just paste what I copied there. The username is also Steve Demo. If you remember, that is the user. So Steve Demo. Now the password. This is the password for the database. As for the database host, don't do anything. Table prefix to WP is fine. Then click on submit. If everything is fine, it is going to be alright. So as you can see, alright, Sparky, you've made it through this part of the installation. So run the installation. Now this is where you're going to enter the name, the username for your WordPress backend login. So site title. So I'm going to say demo website, something like that. So if you are using it for school or hotel, you're going to do the same thing. Now the username, this is the login, not the database. What you use to log in, so it can be different. So let's say, let me even use the word different so that it makes a difference for you to see. So this one doesn't have anything to do with the database username. So I'll just use different. And then let me use a default password here. Let me say take care. Yeah, so I'll confirm weak password. And then my email. So let's say my email. Discourage search engines from indexing this site. No, we want people to see this site, so I'll not check this one. So make sure that you are sure of your username, because that is what you use to log in. This is the most important part, and you also know your password. Take care. So let me install the WordPress. So now everything is set. You can just click. As you can see, my username is different and my password is the password I choose. So let me log into my WordPress dashboard. So from here it's the same as the normal login. So let me enter my username different and then my password, take care. Then I'll log in. So as you can see, we have the complete WordPress setup installation. So I can just go to my plugins area and then I'll select everything and I'm going to delete everything. Okay, first of all, let me deactivate them. And then I'm going to delete everything. So I'm going to install another plugin. Let me go to the settings area to do this important settings first. I go to the permalinks. And then I change to post name. As I've always tell you, this is very, very important. So before you install your website, make sure you've changed it. So I just want to add a new plugin, which is the starter template. You can just click starter and then install now. Active. So for instance, if you're going to use this demo site for, let's say, to showcase that you can create any type of website, you can do that. Click on C library. So that takes you to the Astra starter template area for you to select any of the demo templates. So this is very, very unique and very, very simple. So you don't need to buy domains for every project that you know. It's not important. Just create a subdomain for it. If it's an e-commerce website you want to create, just come here, go through it, and then you see what you want to choose from here. So the free ones are what you can choose, but the premium ones, you can't choose that. Which one should we even install? You are free to install anything, just that it is difficult to choose from the multitude, especially if you've not planned what you want to install. So let me just install this particular one. Probably you want to create something for someone who is a beautician. You can choose this particular one. This is very, very awesome. And then you can even use this one as an e-commerce website, because this one is e-commerce type. So let's just go ahead. You can change the colors. You can change the colors to suit your brand. So just look at it. When I change the colors, see that everything changes. I can choose blue. You can choose this color. So immediately you choose the color, then they'll be changing. So that is it. Let me just choose the pink because this is for a lady. So after you choose the color, just scroll down, continue. You can decide not to fill this one. Just click on submit and build. So in just some few seconds, your website will be up and running. Very, very simple. So as you can see, it doesn't take a matter of hours before you can create a subdomain and also build your website. If you want to know more about how to create professional website, any type of website, just contact rapid entrepreneurs, or you watch some of the videos in our YouTube channel for you to practice how to create websites. If you want a one-on-one mentorship program, just visit our website, rapidonlinecourses.com, and then we are going to train you on how to create professional websites one-on-one, or you can also enroll in any of our courses here so that you can become a pro website designer. With that said, let's check once again our website. So you see our website is done. So let's click and view our website now. So now when someone type demo.rapidcleangh.com, you see, let me copy the URL. Let me open in an incognito browser. So demo.rapidcleangh.com. So immediately you type, it's just immediate. So you see, we have this whole website here for you on our website or on our subdomain. So as you can see, it's very, very simple. All you need to do is to edit this particular website. Whatever you don't want it, you can edit it. But in this particular video, that is not the purpose. So the purpose is to show you how to create a subdomain. If you want to know how to edit a website, create any type of section or any type of styles on your website, just watch some of the videos, or you can enroll in any of our courses, and then we are going to set you up. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, we encourage you to do that so that when we release any type of video, you may be the first person to receive it. So with that said, thank you for watching. Give us a like if you find any value in it, and share this video to friends and family so that YouTube can also recommend this video to others. Thank you so much for watching, and let's see you in the next video.